To get started, first press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract tracks. As you can see, we extracted the tracks in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. You can also navigate to new playlists to extract more. And then press Add to Export List again. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract Kanye West details. To do this, press on the extension. Then press Extract Artist Details. Then press Add to Export List. Again, you can do this as many times as you like with different artists. So in here we extracted Eminem too. Now just export this. After exporting, here's all the details we extracted.